Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you an easy way to enable kids mode on Samsung Galaxy phones. So for that just go to the top bar and here tap on edit. Now tap add control and here just look for the kids app and here there is. Tap on it to edit here. Now you can enlarge the icon, then just tap done. And now to open it, tap on this icon and tap start. Now downloading the app, wait for a few seconds. And now you need to configure the app, just tap continue again. And here you can tap on allow and this is the app and here we have some apps for the kids. And if you want to add another apps, just tap here, tap add and edit apps. Use your fingerprint as a parent. And now just add from here another apps. Let's say, for example, calculator and contacts. Tap add and now we have here these two apps. Tap save and that's all. Now your kid can use only these apps. If you want to exit, you need to use your fingerprint as a parent, and to access again, just go to the top and tap on the app, and here there is. So it is very easy to access and enable it if you want to give your phone to your kid. I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.